This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister and Head of Imperium Chambers. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 big changes to the visit visa which is coming into force in 2024. It's good news. Now let's go through these 5 changes. Number 1, and this is a really big change, migrants on visit visas will be allowed to engage in some remote work whilst they're in the United Kingdom. This is a positive step, though it is important to bear in mind that the remote working must be independent of the reason for coming to the United Kingdom. Having said that, it's a big change and a positive one. Number 2, people coming on visit visas will be able to engage directly with their clients by way of consulting, training and skill sharing. This is a big step and means that people can come over here to provide some training, be paid for the training, without having to apply for a separate visa. Number 3, this is going to mean that legal professionals are able to provide certain services to their clients while they're in the United Kingdom. There's going to be a relaxing on the rule. It also includes a relaxing on the rules for aircrew who want to come to the United Kingdom. It's a big step and one that's more than welcome. Number 4, researchers and academics visiting the United Kingdom can now participate in research projects beyond that of their initial or their individual purposes, expanding the scope of their professional activities while they stay in the United Kingdom. Lastly, conference speakers are now allowed remuneration. Previously they would have had to apply for a specific visa. Now this is being wrapped up into the visit visa. Let's unpack these 5 new changes and deal with some of the common questions that come up. Firstly, what work can I do on a visit visa? Sounds interesting, sounds great. The rule permits some remote working while in the UK on a UK visit visa. Remote working is permitted under the rule, but it must not be the primary purpose for the visit, and the work done should be related to the visitor's overseas work. How do the new rules affect flight crew members? Well, the 2024 changes positively impact flight crew members, allowing them to enter the UK under wet lease arrangement. Now turning to legal professionals, they're able to provide a broader scope of legal professionals and engage in various legal activities while in the United Kingdom. Now turning to research activities under the visa. Yes, good news, scientists, researchers and academics can now engage in research activities directly related to their employment abroad. And lastly, turning to conferences and the permitted paid engagements for visitors. Well, conference speaking used to be under a different visa, the permitted paid engagement visa, but now that's being wrapped up and put into the visit visa, which will make it easier for people coming to talk or perform at conferences rather than having to apply for a separate visa. So big changes overall to the visit visa regime for 2024. There are some benefits to people. Unusually for the Home Office, they're not cutting down but seeking to expand this route. However, it's important to note it does not provide a license to come here and work on any particular job, certainly not in a restaurant, a shop or for a business. It certainly doesn't allow you to stay in the United Kingdom for more than 180 days. And while I'm on that point, and this will be the last point, I intend to do a longer video on the visit visa route and the criteria and conditions that apply to it. If you've got this far, I'm very grateful. Thank you very much for watching. And again, if you have any immigration problem, do contact me, Paul Turner, Head of Imperium Chambers, the Immigration Barrister.